What's going on, guys? What's up? What's going on? You know, as you can see, I'm still in bed. Just woke up bright and early, you know, and I'm about to get some breakfast. This is my view right now. Yes, guys, so this is the view. My view this morning. Yeah, it's nothing like sunny, vibrant Florida, you know, but yeah, nice little view. All right, so I'm gonna brush my teeth real quick and wash my face and then head downstairs. All right, yes, get the teeth clean up and thing, you know, early morning.
Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find someone.
Good coffee, you know. Yes, guys, so ALIAS Coffee was just right. You know, the cappuccino, I had some cappuccino, guys, and let me tell you, hit the spot, you know, perfect. So now we're on our way back to the hotel room. You know, we go relax a little bit and then head back on the road. So just continue to watch the video, don't go nowhere.
Oh, I wanna run off and fly.